Have you ever wondered what it takes to develop an NFT game in 2024? With the NFT gaming market size estimated at $471.90 billion in 2024 and expected to skyrocket to $942.58 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 14.84%, it's no surprise that everyone is talking about it. But what does it cost to dive into this booming industry? Well, let's break it down. First things first, you need a solid game concept. This involves brainstorming unique ideas, defining game mechanics, and creating a compelling story. Hiring a team of experienced game designers and writers is crucial at this stage. Expect to spend anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000 for initial planning and concept development. Creating engaging and visually appealing artwork is next on the list. This includes character design, environments, and UI/UX elements. Depending on the complexity and quality, this phase can range from $10,000 to $40,000. Remember that unique and eye-catching visuals are key in the NFT space in order to attract and retain players. Now comes the heart of the project: development and coding. You will need a skilled team of developers who are proficient in blockchain technology and smart contract development. The cost for this phase can vary widely, typically between $30,000 to $100,000, depending on the game's complexity and the blockchain platform you choose. Integrating blockchain technology to handle NFTs, in-game transactions, and security is crucial. This step ensures that players truly own their in-game assets. Blockchain integration can cost an additional $10,000 to $50,000, depending on the specific requirements and blockchain network used. Before launching, thorough testing is essential in order to ensure a bug-free and smooth gaming experience. Quality assurance can run you another $5,000 to $20,000, as this phase includes rigorous testing of the game mechanics, blockchain transactions, and overall performance. Even the best game needs strong marketing to reach its audience. This involves creating buzz on social media, engaging with gaming communities, and potentially hiring influencers. Marketing costs can range from $15,000 to $50,000, depending on your strategy and goals. Post-launch, regular updates and maintenance are necessary in order to keep the game fresh and players engaged. Allocating an annual budget of $10,000 to $30,000 for ongoing support and content updates is advisable. Tips for 2024. Selecting the right blockchain can save costs and improve scalability. Some of the popular choices include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Prioritize security in your development process in order to protect players' assets and personal information. Building a strong community around your game can drive success. Engage with players regularly through social media, forums, and events. Collaborating with other game developers and blockchain experts can provide valuable insights and resources. So, there you have it. Developing an NFT game in 2024 is an exciting venture with immense potential. Moreover, by understanding the cost breakdown and following these tips, you can successfully navigate this dynamic landscape. Happy game developing!